Today is Tuesday, June 4, 2019. My brand new LG air conditioner units that I just bought a few days ago. This is the LG 12,000 BTU air conditioning unit, brand new, and I have it on fan mode for the moment. A nice brand new plywood to go with it. And there's the back of it. See the back of it there. And the front of it. We accidentally scratched the one side, but oh well, who cares? And my plug-in thermostat, which is pretty cool here. Plug-in thermostat. And I have it on cool mode. I think it's set for cool on 15. So let's test this thing out. I'm going to close the door. Now the night light here, the night light is used to trick the thermostat on the air conditioner. I ran the thermostat sensor wire underneath the light bulb there, so the heat off the light bulb tricks the thermostat on the air conditioner and I can get it to kick on. So let's put it in cool mode and I'm going to do an experiment. I'm going to set it for cool on 30. So set it cool on 30 and there you go, the compressor is kicking on. So it is tricking it. So the air conditioner thinks it's hotter than 30 Celsius and that's why the compressor is kicking on. And once it reaches 30 it will turn off. So the compressor's on. And it's on full blast. And the lowest the LG units will go down to is 16. So that's the lowest it will go. Cool on 22 Celsius. So it's on. Good too. This place is going to be nice and cool in the summertime. You can already feel it blowing out from here. A brand new air conditioning unit. It'll keep me nice and cool when it's hot and humid. I don't want to drop my camera. Good. Now I'm going to unplug the night light and the thermostat will work normally. And these air conditioners here, these brand new air conditioners are Wi-Fi too, which is pretty cool. So I haven't set up the Wi-Fi yet. And I'll set it for about 25, so it's not too cold, and so it uses less power and electricity. Now for some reason it's making a little wobbling noise. You hear that? I don't know why it's making that little noise. I guess it's normal for it to do that. I think what it is it's the refrigerant traveling through the evaporator coils. So, and then the inside of the unit you have the evaporator coils, and then on the outside of the air conditioner is the condenser coils. And then there's the plug-in thermostat right here. If I turn it up, the plug-in thermostat is on cool mode right now. So if I turn this thing up, it's going to turn the air conditioner off. 10, yeah, that's way too cold. 15. See where it turns off. Turns off at 22. So it turned right off at 22. It turned right off at cool and 22 Celsius. So it's 22 in here, and if I turn it down to 21. I turn it down to 21, it will turn it back on again. 22 off, 21 back on. That turns back on. This is the brand new LG 8000 BTU. I used to have an LG 6000 BTU, but I just upgraded to 8000, so I got more BTUs. And it's blowing. This one here is blowing nice and good, really good. So we're on cool mode here. Energy saver, and you got cool mode. There it goes. And you can turn it all the way down to Fahrenheit. The lowest it goes in Fahrenheit is 60 Fahrenheit, and the highest it goes in Fahrenheit is 86 Fahrenheit, and in Celsius is 16 Celsius, and then 30 Celsius as well. Set it on 22. And the night light here is used to trick the thermostat on the air conditioner. That's what keeps my compressor on for me, is the night light. That's pretty cool. This one for some reason is blowing up more better than the other one. Whatever. The brand new LG 8000 BT air conditioner I have, that will cool my living room probably very big. But these two air conditioners themselves will cool my 150 square feet. So these two units would fit just no problem. So I'm going to turn these on when it's hot and humid. So let's have a listen to it. And brand new plywood as well. And these shelves here lift off, so I can remove them in a second. Just take the screws off here on the side, and it just lifts off. So, piece of cake. And heater as well. So air conditioner and heat unit. Very nice plywood that I'm very happy with. Brand new plywood. And the side of the air conditioner. See that fan running in there. Perfect time to make this video. Wanted to catch the last minute of sunshine before it goes away on me. So it's all done. You hear the compressor running. This is the condenser coils. And the side of it. See that fan running in there. Oh yeah, and that brand new plywood looks a heck of a lot better than the first time we installed it last week. So I'm satisfied with it now. I'm very happy. So all what's left to do now is just put the plywood on the top. And when you have your air and it's recommended to drain the plug. And if you have a balcony, get a pail so that way the water drips into the pail and the water doesn't drip on your balcony, and then the water doesn't go over to your neighbor's side. So yeah, get a pail, and then once in a while you have to dump the water. So, and you don't want to be dumping water off your balcony. You probably get in trouble for that. So. In the other unit. And the view of the manor where I live. Very, very, very nice, gorgeous flower bed. I like it. Very, very, very pretty. Oh yeah, it's nice and cool in here. It's 2170 in here. Quite nice. I'm gonna turn these air conditioners off because I don't need them on. First thing to do is unplug that light. And did I not show you there's my second plug-in thermostat here? So that plug-in thermostat's on cool mode. So if I just turn this down, it's gonna actually I gotta. That's weird, it's not. There we go. Oh yeah, that's right too. I gotta turn it. It's on cool mode. I gotta turn it up to get it to turn off. So if I turn it back down, it'll turn back on again. Just turn back on at 20 Celsius, and then it shuts off so it turns off at 21 Celsius because it's 21 in here, and turn it back down again. Turn it back down to 20. Cool on 20. Turns the unit back on again, see? If I turn it back, turns it off. $21. 20. And then I don't know why, but this one for some reason blows out better than the one in the living room. Weird. Oh well, not that I really care, but maybe it's because I taped there's vents on the top here, and I taped them up. I'm probably not supposed to do that, but I did anyways. The reason why I taped the top vents up is to keep those leaves and keys from falling in there. That's why I taped the top vent. But I figure when the air conditioner's on, it is second air. It's second air out of the side vents, so I should be okay. Oh. Yep, very, very, very good units. I'm very, very satisfied with LG. You can get it at the Home Depot, and I hope they keep making them too. So both of the air conditioners are Wi-Fi, which is pretty cool, which I haven't set up the Wi-Fi yet. And I only plan on using these if it's like really hot, like hot and humid. I don't need the air conditioners on today because it's not humid out there. It's about 18 Celsius or 64 Fahrenheit outside right now, and there's no humidity, so I'm gonna open up the windows instead. Okay, put the plywood on. And the plywood is on. All I gotta do is layer on and just grab a square screwdriver, just screw the screws in, and I'm done. And then maybe just put some duct tape around the sides of the cracks to seal it up. Brand new air conditioners. Work very, very good. Thanks for watching. I'm going to end this film. Augie.